Hey there! Today I have another outfit of the day video for you. And today I decided to try to figure out what my style uniform is. So I did some looking on the internet and trying to find out more about style uniforms. So basically a style uniform is like an outfit or a combination of clothes that is like your go-to look and that, you know, makes you feel put together and I would say confident. So this week we will be figuring out my style uniform, and yeah, so here we go with outfit of the week number 8. I think, what is it, 8? Yeah. Dressing according to my style uniform. Okay, good morning. Today's Monday and this is outfit of the day. And this week I'm going to be actually dressing according to my style uniform. Okay, yeah. So I've been reading up on style uniforms, and basically for me, my style uniform, I think that is like a go-to look is just wearing a dress, and I do like floral dresses that are more the fit and flare style. I like the faux wrap and also knit for comfort. And then I also like wearing a denim jacket. I think it kind of makes it a little bit more fun and casual, yet still work appropriate. So today I have, this is a KAILEIGH dress that I just got from Stitch Fix, and I'll put a card up above to that video, and also in the description box I'll put a link to my Pinterest board, because I do have a Pinterest board for all of the things that I get from Stitch Fix, so that you guys can go to that and pin it if you see something that you like. But I do really like this dress. It's really nice. And the jacket is just, this is the Ellen jacket from Walmart, believe it or not. I don't think this is still available though, but yeah, I'll still put the link in case it is. And the shoes are Munro shoes I got from Nordstrom. So yeah, so this is my Monday look. Necklace is from J. Crew, and earrings are the ones that I always wear from Kate Spade. Okay, and for the makeup, okay, so for foundation, I'm still using this Joa Truly Yours Natural Finish foundation, and it has a dropper. And actually, I kind of like this. It is like, I do have oily combo skin, so what I have to do is just put like a mattifying primer on the T-zone, and then it works okay. Otherwise, it just gets too oily. But yeah, I like this. I think it looks nice. And I think for this week, I'll try to use a different foundation for almost every day, and we'll talk about it. Okay, and then on the eyes, since this dress has green, I thought I'd wear something green. So I've had this for a while. This is by Maybelline, and it's just a dual expert wear, but it just has two colors. It has like a green and a champagne color. So I used that, but I also had to use this one, and this one I showed last week. It's the LA Girl Eye Luxe Mesmerizing Eye Palette, and this is all matte. So I just used this one first, kind of like, you know, when you do that eye contouring thing, and then go over with the green and the shimmer. And then on the lips, I found this in my purse. So this is the e.l.f. Touch of Berry. I think it's nice, and something happened to the tip of this, but it still works. Okay, so that is my outfit of the day according to my style uniform, and makeup for Monday. Have a great week. Bye. Okay, good morning. Today's Tuesday. Yeah, sadly, I don't know, for me it kind of feels like the week is dragging because it seems like it's been a long week and it's only Tuesday. That's kind of sad. But anyway, today is the second day of wearing what I consider my style uniform. And besides always wearing like a floral dress and a denim jacket, I like to wear skinny jeans, and these are my favorite skinny jeans from Spanx. And also I just like to kind of have like a flowy top. So flowy top with skinny jeans, oh, and also some kind of statement necklace. I love necklaces, and I have a ton. So this is a new necklace. I'll show you. I just got, this is from Stella & Dot, and I use my Dot dollars, and it's kind of cool because it's like, It's like a 3-in-1. You can wear the pieces separate, but then you can also wear it like layered like this. And oh, and this top is from the Loft, and I got it probably like 1.5 or 2 years ago. I do really like it. I really like this top. And the shoes are just my Munro shoes that I've had forever, and wear them a lot because they're really comfortable. Okay, and then for makeup today, so my foundation I'm using today is the number 7, and this is the Stay Perfect foundation, and it says it's medium coverage, but to me it seems kind of light. And I really like this formula though. It is very natural looking, and I have the shade Warm Ivory. And then on the eyes, I have this e.l.f. palette. This is the Nude Rose Gold palette, and I've had this one for a while. It's just another very rosy, cool tone palette, and kind of like another dupe for that Urban Decay Naked 3. So definitely not as pigmented as the Naked 3 palette, but if you're looking for like a softer look, I think this is a good one. For like $10. And on the lips, and I've shown this probably a lot, and this is actually my favorite of the Joa Tintations. It's the Tintation Lip Stain. I really like these because it looks pretty natural and it lasts a long time. And these you get at CVS, and I'm pretty sure they're like $5.99 or something. And this is the shade Desire. Okay. Okay, so that is my outfit and makeup for Tuesday. See you tomorrow. Okay, good morning. Today is Wednesday, hump day. And today is my outfit of the week, and I am wearing things that I consider to be my style uniform. So I have on, this is just a polka dot dress that I got from Amazon. I think this is by Larkin Row, and this is actually one of my favorite dresses. And I really do love this dress, and actually I wore it for an interview once and got the job. So yeah, I think it's a nice one. It's very basic, and it's flowy. But it has waist definition, and it's comfortable, and knit material, so it doesn't wrinkle. I like that. And I have a bling necklace, statement necklace. And then for the jacket, another denim jacket today. This time we're just going with this white denim. I was debating whether I should wear a jacket, denim jacket, or should I try a cardigan. I mean, you could also wear a cardigan with this, maybe like a colored cardigan. That also looks nice, but I thought I'd go with the crisp white denim jacket with the polka dot and navy dress, and I have just some beige strappy sandals and statement red lip. So that's my outfit of the day for Wednesday. And oh, and makeup. Statement red lip is this Maybelline, and this is the Red For Me 382 matte lipstick. I do really like this one. I mean, red is not always easy, but I think this one is pretty good. And on the eyes, so I went with this Wet n Wild very cheap palette. I don't know, I think these are like $3. Yeah, this is the Walking on Eggshell. So this is a very classic Wet n Wild palette that they actually, I think they reformulated recently, and you see now it has this matte shade. So that's like a transition shade, and this is a very pretty lid shade, and this is like the inner corner highlight. What it lacks is a matte crease shade. This crease shade is shimmery, so that wouldn't work for me, so I did bring in this one. This is the City Mini Palette by Maybelline, and I just used this one as the crease shade. Oh, and foundation, almost forgot. I'm doing different foundations every day. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and this one is in the shade 220, which is natural beige, and this is actually my favorite foundation. Still my favorite, and I've used it for years. The only downside with this foundation, it doesn't come with a pump, so what I did was I bought this pump somewhere on the internet, and I just keep reusing it. Okay, so that is my outfit of the day for Wednesday. See you tomorrow. Okay, good morning. Today is Thursday. Yeah, still, yeah, anyway, it's Thursday. And I am dressing according to my style uniform. And what I've got on today is white jeans, and these are from Liverpool, and I actually really love these jeans. I got them from Mix and Match. I had been searching for white jeans, and these are really great. And my top is from Stitch Fix, and this is by Market and Spruce, and I just got it from Stitch Fix in my last fix. So this is like, I think one of my go-to looks would be like, I love white jeans, and these are platforms, right? These are the ones that I wear all the time, but it gives me height and they're comfortable, and something floral. So yeah, so that's the look for today. And today I'm gonna wear this cardigan. This is a duster. It's kind of long and big, but I think it's nice. And it's kind of a blush color. So I debated whether I should go in with the pink shoes too, but I thought that was too much pink. Okay, and then for makeup today, on the eyes, I'm using this Too Faced Natural Matte palette that I got from, I think, Nordstrom Rack. So yeah, I really like this palette. It's all matte, and I think it gives you a very nice look. And foundation today, I don't know if I'm looking a little pasty, but it's this Super Stay. It's the Maybelline one, and actually this is my second bottle of this, so I've actually gone through a whole bottle, and my shade is 220. This is one of those high coverage foundations, and it's a lot thicker than the Fit Me, and it supposedly lasts 24 hours. I don't know though. Yeah, I never wear it for 24 hours, so I really can't say. And I think it looks a little bit thicker, definitely, than the other one. It's not necessarily my favorite, although I did go through a whole bottle. And then on the lips today, and I can tell I'm looking kind of washed out, is this NARS Orgasm lip gloss. And I just have this because it was my daughter's and then she didn't want it. So I said, well, you can't throw, this is like $20, right? At least. So here's the swatch. You can barely see it. Maybe I'll swatch it again. There. I might have to go over this with a brighter lipstick later. Okay. Okay, so that is my outfit of the day for Thursday. See you tomorrow, which is, hooray, Friday. Okay, good morning. It's Friday, yay. And I know I typically usually wear jeans on Friday, but I just realized that this is like my style uniform week, and I still haven't worn my dark wash cut from the cloth denim jacket. So I decided to wear this dress, which is actually one of my favorite dresses, and I got it last year, I think, from Target. But yeah, it's just a very cute, flowy, it's polyester floral dress. It has these kind of fluttery sleeves. It's a little low, so I put a tank top underneath. And do you see how these flowers match the necklace perfectly? Yeah, so this is a necklace that I picked up last year too. I think it's from a Carol Duplay or something like that. Okay, add my favorite cut from the cloth dark wash denim jacket. Okay, and that's the look. So this is actually my go-to look. And let's go with the makeup. So for today, I'm using this foundation, and this is CoverGirl Clean Matte, and it's shade 530 Light Medium. And this is actually supposedly a BB cream, but I don't know, because BB creams usually have like SPF in it, but this one doesn't, and it's for oily skin. So I do have combo oily skin, and this one I really like. Actually, this is one that I've repurchased, and it's probably like half gone. So yeah, I do like this one. And it has, I think, pretty good coverage, and I think it looks pretty natural. I don't usually use a heavy hand with any of my foundations. Okay, and for eyeshadow, I have this palette. And I picked this up maybe a year and a half ago when I was in Vegas. And it's the BH Cosmetics Blush Neutrals 26 color eyeshadow and blush palette. So it has a lot of eyeshadows, and it was very inexpensive. I can't remember how much it was, but I don't think it was more than $20. But look at that. And it's really pretty. So for today, I just basically used light color plus, here's this color for the crease. And I think also brought in this darker color. And this was like for the lid. And oh, and this dark color for the outer V. But yeah, I think this is really pretty. And isn't it? This is a gorgeous palette. Okay, and lastly, on the lips, I'm using, again, this O Sugar from CoverGirl. And I really do love this. And it's in the shade Punch. So I'll swatch it again. I've seen it before. Yeah, it's one of my favorites, actually. Okay, so that is my outfit of the day, plus makeup for Friday and last day for this style uniform week. And I just have my two little dogs here to say goodbye. Who wants to say goodbye? Kaya? Okay, let's go with Kaya. Okay, and here's Kaya. And she says goodbye. And she really needs grooming. Look at those ears. Okay, bye. Have a good week. I'm sorry. Have a good weekend. Okay, so that was my outfit of the week number 8, dressing according to my style uniform. And I think, you know what, this exercise in fashion, to me, I think was good because it kind of made me aware of the type of clothes that I kind of gravitate towards, and also that I think I look good in. I'm not sure what other people think, but let me know. Also, I guess, you know, I think it's a good idea to have a style uniform, so just a go-to look, basically. So in a time crunch or whatever, you know what pieces you can put together that'll, you know, make you feel confident walking out the door. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful and somewhat entertaining. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.